Fantastic, nice rainy weather today. So again, entrance fee. If you want to go to this village, traditional village, you need to pay per head 50,000 rupees. So for two people, I paid 100,000 plus. If you are coming by bus, 10,000, and then I think for car 5,000. So here, go. It is opening time for this village, and they are still in Corona, COVID measures. So you should be very careful. Wash your hand. Don't sneeze. Sneeze with the tissue paper like that. And this is the village map. To follow, you need to come. The traditional village is now full of water. Ay. Look here. Full of water everywhere. So, heavy rain. We are stuck here actually. But still, we are not stopping. We just rented an umbrella which cost 10,000 rupees. And with umbrella, you can just walk. Now, the rain is reduced. So, it is not heavy now. Look, there is a waterfall. The waterfalls is from the rainwater. Okay, so this is a nice traditional village. There are a lot of local tourists also here, and you see a lot of umbrella. Photo. There is a shop here. Look, there is a nice shop inside. Tea shop and coconut water shop. Oh,
Where are you from?
I am from India.
You're my sister.
I think it is finished. So we need to go back up. So this is the way you see here, Prahayangan, and another one is Palemahan. One is Palemahan, one is Parahayangan. And we are in Karang Memadu. They have super plant here. I don't know what kind of plant is this. It is very nice actually. You see this? That is very, very different. Wow. Huh? They are selling a lot of stuff here. You see the trees, the shops. So we are now in another end. One end has it is more or less like a temple. The another end is going and joining with the road, main road. So now you see that In this village, there is another attraction, that is bamboo forest. We are going to the bamboo forest, but you should be very careful here because there are some snakes here. If you are scared of snakes, you should not go here. You see, all bamboo handmade items are here done like this. All these bamboo items. So you can walk here, but it is not good to walk.